Okay, press and hold on the power and the volume up at the same time, like this. They both at the same time, the power and the volume up at the same time. Let me show you. Okay, let's start. Power, volume, up, volume, power button. Let's go. When you see the screen light, leave the power button and hold on the, like this. Leave the power button and hold on the up volume. Now leave the up volume. When you see this no command, press the up volume and the power button at the same time, like this. Play. Now we are going to use the down to move and the power as okay. So select factory reset with the down button. Let's go. 1. Wipe data and factory reset and press the power button and come yes and press the power button again. Make sure you subscribe to TechBoss and check the link below the description how to bypass Google on Tecno Spark. So now press the power button to reboot your phone. Now the job is done. So check the link below to bypass your phone right now.